fuck? What are you fucking doing? That guy was literally in the oncoming traffic lane. Weird. Some strange decisions. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog on this lovely Tuesday. Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday. It's getting a little hot already. It's only 8 a.m. and it's already feeling a bit toasty, which I do appreciate. Had a good long weekend. I took Monday off just to piss off. So that was kind of fun. Yeah, these folks are taking their sweet time. That's not gonna work for me. And yeah, yesterday went fishing with my buddies. That was kind of exciting. It was a fun thing. Come on, bro. Fuck. Fucking jerk off. Yeah. So yeah, went camping. Not camping, fishing, like an hour north of New York City. That was fun. Sorry, I'm a little disheveled. Oh yeah, and yesterday I got fucking clipped by a car. I mean, the thing is, it's like I was like lane splitting, and the car in front of me fucked up, and you know, this guy's gonna try to beat me off the line. I'll let him. Go ahead. Do it. Yeah, the car was trying to like change lanes, and it was a mess. It was a mess. And now I am riding this herding pig to Dumbo, and I'm running late. It's really unfortunate. I don't like running late, but yeah, so when I got touched, sorry, I'm totally disheveled today. Rides like this, I probably shouldn't even be talking, you know? I should just be freaking focusing on the actual road. But yeah. Let this guy do his maneuver. What is happening here? Everybody and their mama is like coasting, cruising, relaxing. So yeah, my rear peg broke off. I mean, my rear peg, my left side peg from my left foot broke off. So I had to get put on a new one this morning, and by new one I mean an old one. That's why like people wonder, like, why do you save your old parts? Like, what's the point of saving your old pegs from your stock bullshit? And it's like, that's the reason. Because I tried to remove my rear one, and it's like seized on there. And right now I'm like 8 in the morning trying to do it before going to work on time. I didn't plan it out. Should have done last night. My priorities are off. Last night I chose to fuck off instead of handle my business. Can't do that. It's really unfortunate. But yeah, could probably buy some generic foot pegs. I don't imagine they'd be better than all of these. What's happening here? Oh, we got a cop. Is that a police officer here? Looks like it. Good to know. Good to know. How are we looking? Looking pretty good. Looking like the road is moving. Should probably get a move on. But it's okay. Not always need to be spicy. Spicy enough yesterday. There you go. That's my move. Stay in this lane. Police. What is police gonna do? Pull me over for going below speed limit? Ooh, look at that thing. That thing is sick. That is cute as hell. No, now my phone is dying. Nah, it should be alright. Yeah, and the putback right now I got is the old one, but it's the passenger one from the wrong side, so it's pointing in a completely wrong direction, but it certainly offers support. Anyway, let's finish splitting. Pay attention. Yesterday I got caught lacking. Look at this fucking taxi cab. What a jerk off. Such traffic and he's holding up a lane and nobody will pass him. Bizarre. There we go. Gently inching our way to the finish line. I'm gonna take off here and go local because that's been my little move lately. Look, all these folks are bunched up. That looks like a, oh no, Indiana. I thought it was somebody. Oh, that's a fun gas tank question somebody asked me a while back. I had to tackle it. All the ways to find, to see if somebody's a cop. You know, all the ways to tell. I'm about to sneak in there. Could have split past already. Probably lost about a minute staying behind this guy, but I want to do it gently. I want to do it really gently. Make sure there's no cops, there's no cars behind me. Because this is an honest mistake. This is not some sort of a fucking evil plan. People parking right here along the road, that's crazy. And I'm taking a right as well. Most of these people are going straight into depths of Brooklyn. That could be a cop, but I don't think. Oh, my fuel is low, so yeah, after work get some gas. Bro, can I get through here? There we go. That was gorgeous. What the fuck? What are you fucking doing? That guy was literally in the oncoming traffic lane. Weird. Some strange decisions. That's a nice little spot. So yeah, boys and girls, that's the short and the long of it. I got my knee surgery coming up, so it's gonna be all right. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. is this person doing? Look at this fucking guy. I mean, I guess they're doing the same thing that a motorcyclist would do, except they're not motorcycles. They're real big cars, you know? Yeah, that's fucking badass. Especially for a taxi cab to do that, because the thing is, they make money depending on how long they take. It's not like about how fast you get to the destination. So I wonder why it is that he investing energy to going fast. Can I make this? 27? Yes. Got it. There we go. Nice little right. What are the chances we can park at my spot? Take a look. Worth a shot. Take a look. Any spots over here? I want to come back. Yeah, guess there was a spot right there. I'll park right here. Look at these fucking rebels. That's hilarious. Somebody just pulled them fucking out. Yeah, right there. Good kids. You stupid rebels. I swear to God. I swear to God. I can't park on top of this guy. He'll be upset. Alright, well, it is what it is. I'm also running out of gas, so I can't exactly just be cruising around, but alright. Tuesday. Can't park here either. No problem. Not a big issue. Just the life of looking for a spot. All good. Tuesday as well. Alright, so that's that. I hate this block. Real test for suspension, but here we are. Thought I got a spot to squeeze in between here. Wasn't there? No, I'm gonna do a U-turn and go back. That's the only way to do it. Fucking hell. Look at all that glass, bro. You're gonna get a fucking flat. 100%. This street is the worst. There we go. Should have parked here fucking 5 minutes ago. All good. Not a big deal. Hi, boys and girls. Thank you for watching. A weird one today. Too serious. Alright. Shall speak later.